Number 1.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,750, showing 143,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a silver exterior with a gray interior, this 2WD, two-door short bed truck stands out for its clean appearance and well-maintained history. It features a powerful 5.8L 351 EFI V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, offering both performance and reliability. In addition to its strong core features, the truck has recently undergone extensive maintenance and repairs, including replacement of the brake booster, battery, tie rods, radiator and hoses, thermostat, distributor cap and rotor, spark plugs, front timing cover, and water pump. The transmission has been serviced, and the braking system has been refreshed with new pads and rotors. A new throttle position sensor has also been installed, ensuring smooth engine performance and drivability.
Number 2.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $7,900. It has been driven 87,000 miles and remains in excellent running condition. It comes with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck features a stylish gray exterior matched with a clean gray interior, giving it a neat and well-maintained appearance both inside and out. Powered by a dependable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine and equipped with two-wheel drive, this vehicle delivers solid performance and a smooth driving experience. It runs and drives excellently, showing that it has been properly maintained over the years. In addition, it is fitted with fairly new tires, which add to its road readiness and driving comfort. The clean title provides extra peace of mind, while the CD/radio system offers convenient entertainment during every drive.
Number 3.
1997 Ford F-150, price $9,000, featuring a short bed, regular cab, and four-wheel drive in the Lariat trim. It has been driven 148,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.6-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The exterior comes in a striking red color with a two-tone finish, complemented by a gray leather interior that remains in good condition. This vehicle has never been involved in any accidents, has never been repainted or modified, and comes with a clean Carfax report, reflecting its well-preserved history. It is equipped with a range of key features integrated seamlessly into its design, including fully functional power options, a power-adjustable seat, a sprayed bedliner for added durability, and a tow package that enhances its practicality. Additional highlights include matching step bars, premium factory alloy wheels, and oversized BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, all contributing to both its rugged capability and visual appeal. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with no rust present, making it a dependable and attractive option for buyers seeking a classic yet capable pickup.
Number 4.
1993 Ford Ranger, price $5,500, with 189,000 miles, a manual transmission, blue exterior, and gray interior. It runs strong, starts easily, and drives smoothly, with all key features functioning properly, including AC, heat, and power steering. The truck has undergone extensive mechanical work, including a complete clutch system replacement, a full front suspension and steering rebuild, and a fully refreshed brake system. The fuel and cooling systems have been replaced or serviced, along with updates to the power steering system, starter, and a new battery installed in April 2026. The wheels and tires were updated in June 2025, the AC system has been serviced, and both the windshield and rear window were replaced in 2025. Inside, the headliner has been redone, with minor wear such as a small tear on the driver's seat and typical dashboard cracks. The exterior has been repainted, though the clear coat shows some orange peel that could be improved. Overall, it is a reliable and ready-to-drive truck with solid mechanical condition.
Number 5.
1998 Ford F-150, price $5,700. It has been driven for 195,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and comfortable driving experience. The vehicle features a white exterior with its original paint still intact, paired with a clean and well-preserved gray interior that appears almost like new. Running on gasoline and powered by a 4.2-liter engine, the truck is reported to have no leaks and no unusual engine noise, reflecting proper care and maintenance over the years.
In addition, the transmission performs flawlessly, ensuring reliable operation.
All essential features, including the air conditioning, heating system, power windows, and radio, are fully functional and in excellent working order.
Number 6.
1994 Ford F-250, price $5,800, powered by a reliable 7.3L V8 diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven approximately 200,000 miles and remains in solid condition. The truck features a red exterior complemented by a beige interior, offering a classic and timeless look. Equipped with a comfortable extended cab and a long bed, it provides both passenger space and practical hauling capacity. The air conditioning system functions well, delivering both cold and warm air for added comfort in various weather conditions.
It also comes with new tires, ensuring improved performance and safety on the road.
With a clean title, this vehicle represents a dependable and capable diesel truck suitable for work or everyday use.
Number 7.
1996 Nissan Hardbody, price $5,700. It has been driven 183,000 miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and 2WD drivetrain. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong and reliable 2.4L engine. The vehicle has been upgraded with LED lighting both inside and out, including the headlights, interior, and dashboard, providing improved visibility and a more modern appearance. It is reported that everything is in proper working condition, with no check engine light present. The interior is very clean, and the truck bed remains in great shape, protected by a liner. Additional features include a well-functioning air conditioning and heating system, fairly new tires with plenty of tread, a new battery, and a newly installed clutch. It also comes with a modern touchscreen radio system equipped with a backup camera for added convenience.
While the exterior shows normal cosmetic work consistent with its age, such as some paint fading, the truck remains mechanically solid and ready for immediate use. Number 8.
1986 Ford F-250, price $10,000, with 162,000 miles and an automatic transmission, finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior.
It is equipped with a 6.9 LIDI turbo engine, paired with a C6 transmission and 3.55 gearing, delivering reliable performance both on and off the road. The truck is mechanically sound and has been kept in good running condition, starting easily even in cold temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
It maintains stable operating temperatures between 190 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit during regular driving, while exhaust gas temperatures remain under 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and it produces 8.5 to 9 psi of boost at full throttle. It comfortably cruises at highway speeds of 65 miles per hour. In terms of features, the vehicle includes functional power windows, door locks, lighting systems, four-wheel drive, and fully operational trailer brake and light connections, making it a practical choice for towing and daily utility use. It rides on durable 33-inch BF Goodrich tires, enhancing both traction and stance. The air conditioning system requires a recharge, which will be completed prior to sale.
Cosmetically, the truck does show some wear, including rust on the bed fenders, driver's cab corner, and rocker panels. Number 9.
1997 Ford F-150, price $3,250, that has been driven for 217,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and practical appearance. The truck is described as being in very clean condition for its age, with both the interior and exterior well cared for. Everything on the vehicle functions as it should, indicating that it has been properly maintained over time.
It also comes with a new battery and a clean Alabama title, providing added assurance for the next owner.
Recently, the truck has undergone routine servicing, including an oil and filter change, which further supports its readiness for continued use.
Number 10.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,900. Showing 205,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a tan interior, along with a practical 6-foot bed and a functional 4x4 system. The four-wheel drive setup includes manual locking hubs, allowing the driver to engage 4x4 from the dashboard and then manually lock the hubs for improved traction when needed. The vehicle is powered by a reliable 4.0L V6 OHV engine. It has received several recent upgrades, including brand new Rancho shocks, newer tires, a brand new fuel pump, and relatively new front brake pads and rotors, all contributing to its overall drivability and performance. The frame shows some surface rust, with slightly heavier rust in certain areas, but it remains structurally sound and is not expected to prevent it from passing inspection.